Hi, it's Denise at myluxuryfirst.com, and today I'm doing the unboxing for the Acrimet 4-tier letter tray side load. I just needed some trays to do like paper sorting and to store some documents, so I decided to get these Clearish-Pink ones, and right now I'm just putting it together. So it comes with 4 trays, and you can get the trays wide like this, and you can get 4 or 3 or 2 of them. And right now I'm just putting it together, so it comes with these things separate, and you just have to connect them to the side, I suppose, right here. I hope I don't break this because it's kind of like acrylic and or like a hard plastic, but I definitely don't want to break it. I think I paid like $30-something for these. I feel like I'm gonna end up breaking these because it's not like super easy to put on. Let me see. I mean, it seems like it's easy to put on. Like, you're supposed to just put it down at these little slots, but it just also seems like you're gonna break it if you press it too hard. Okay, there's instructions on the back of the box. I think I've been doing it wrong. It says place the tray. Hold up. It says place the letter tray with base up. Insert the metal braces in the cavity of the letter tray. Damn. This? Okay, I'm tripping, dog. That's why you gotta learn how to read, because I was doing it super wrong. I had it going like this, and it should be like this. Okay, those are all done. So, according to the instructions on the back of the box, I had it all wrong. I had mine up here like this, and I guess I was going to try to sit it on top like this, which looks like it could kind of work, but I guess it's supposed to be like this. And see these slots right here? Put this into the slot, just like that. You just slide it right in to here. Okay, that should be like that. And then after you do that, so there it goes, like this. I guess I'll just stack them all on top of each other. I hope I don't break this. Alright, now we're going to do the last one. There it goes. And it comes with 4 non-skid rubber pads, but I'm not going to use those. Okay, this is how it ended up looking. This is where I'm just going to put it on the edge of my desk. If you have one of these, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And or if you are thinking about buying, comment and I will reply, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in my next upload. Have a great day. Bye.